Welcome to Top Notch Repair's premier service in diesel truck and heavy equipment repair. The business is located in its own building at 3681 West Bell Vista Avenue, along the main road between Pahrump and Death Valley, California. The business is central to the entire Death Valley and Pahrump area. We specialize in keeping your diesel trucks and heavy equipment operating at peak performance. Our dedicated team of experienced technicians is committed to minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity through expert repair and maintenance services. In addition to our core expertise in heavy equipment, we excel in custom car and truck restoration and customization. By transforming vehicles into unique works of art, we combine technical precision with creative artistry to deliver exceptional results. Whether you require reliable repairs, routine maintenance, or a personalized touch to your vehicle, Top Notch Repairs stands out for its skill, passion, and unwavering commitment to exceeding your expectations. Trust us to deliver unparalleled quality and customer satisfaction. Top Notch Repairs is the only heavy-duty truck and diesel repair shop in the Death Valley and Pahrump area that is equipped and capable of working on large tractors and heavy equipment. The service area of the business includes Death Valley and surrounding areas. This is an extremely profitable repair and restoration business, and the owner is more than willing to stay on for a transition period to ensure that the new owner is successful. The current owner is looking to retire and concentrate on his other businesses once the employees and customers are in the hands of the new owner. This is an amazing opportunity for an owner looking to work 5 days per week in a turnkey business and purchase a business that can allow them to earn a significant income of approximately $423,000 per year. Many of the custom vehicles restored and completed by Top Notch Repair have won numerous car show and truck show awards. The shop has the ability to complete all types of repairs with the potential to expand with bodywork as well as custom paint and restoration work. The business occupies an office, shop building, and storage parking lot of approximately 4 acres that is located on the main road from Pahrump to Death Valley, California. The shop building is approximately 2,400 square feet. The office is approximately 900 square feet. The storage parking lot of approximately 4 acres provides space for vehicle parking, as well as some stored vehicles that are used for parts in restoration projects. The truck repair industry is one of the most essential industries in the United States. The industry provides necessary services and repairs for commercial trucks, which are a vital part of the country's transportation infrastructure. The truck repair industry has experienced healthy growth in recent years and is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. This growth only makes sense as businesses continue to grow and need diesel trucks to transport their goods from place to place in our country. The shop is located in Pahrump, Nevada, along the busy road to Death Valley, California. It is the nearest large truck and heavy equipment repair facility from Baker, California to Tonopah, Nevada. Furthermore, many snowbirds visit Pahrump each year with their RVs and stay in the many local RV parks. These visitors also patronize the facility for their expert repair services for large RVs. This is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a thriving diesel repair facility. For more information, contact Scott Smith at Freedom House Property Management at 775-727-4444.